Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make blackened salmon with crispy skin. 7 minutes is all it takes to cook this dish. It could not be faster or simpler. Here's my salmon with skin, no bones. Pat both sides dry with paper towels. I'll put all my seasonings on a plate so it's easier to coat the salmon. Paprika, cayenne, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dried thyme, dried oregano, crush both in your palms, and salt. Stir that to combine and spread it out on the plate. Heat up a cast iron pan or heavy-bottomed pan. Cast iron will give you a gorgeous crust on the fish. Put a little bit of vegetable or canola oil in the pan. Dip the fish in the seasoning just on the flesh side. Press the fish into the seasoning so it's completely covered. Leave the skin side alone. Now the fish is coated in all the spices. When the pan is starting to smoke, turn the heat down to medium. Place the fish in the pan gently, away from you. Leave it alone for 2 minutes. I know it's hard, but just don't touch it. Then turn it over with a spatula. That's a perfect crust. It's blackened, but not burnt. Turn the heat a little bit lower than medium if your pan is too hot. Leave the skin side alone for 5 minutes. You can see the skin is crispy. Remove the fish from the pan. Serve with lemon wedges. Fresh lemon juice over the fish is delicious. I like the acidity. Taste the fish first and add the lemon juice only if you want to. The salmon is so flavorful that it doesn't really need anything else. The seasoning mix we used is the perfect blend, not overwhelming with cayenne or black pepper. The fish is flaky, cooked nicely. I have to get a piece of the skin. Sorry about the train in the background, can't escape it. You heard that crunch. The only thing you have to remember while cooking this dish is to turn a vent on or open a window because of the high heat. Definitely try this fish. Dinner will be done in 10 minutes. I made my garlic green beans recipe while the fish was cooking and baked a sweet potato in the microwave, so the full meal came together quickly and at the same time. Click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.